Okay, here we are, December 21st, and it is really raining. And of course, Sage likes to stand out in the rain. Daniel and I probably worked almost 2 hours trying to drain her stall and Solo's stall next to her. Come here, Sage. Yeah, I'm trying to entice her with a treat. Come on, Sagey. Come on. Come on. Let's keep going. Keep going. Good girl. You can see how wet it was. Over here, Dan and I made trenches. Come on, Sagey. Come in. Come in. It's wet. Come on, Sage. She's coming. Come on. Gotta open the door more, Daniel. Come on, Sage. Come on. Here you go. Okay, I'm gonna turn it.